Hi, my name is Matthew Rohr, developer for Lights Out Worlds, and I want to give you a quick demonstration of how this game works. Lights Out World is a puzzle game where the goal is to turn off all the lights on the game board. Very simple, very addicting. So let's go ahead and start off here. We're looking at the main menu. There's 4 different options. You can either play a game or random play. Those are the 2 main different gameplay modes. Options, let's take a look at what's in options. We can turn the music on and off, sound on and off. There's also a random game difficulty adjustment. And then there's also a how to play button. And this just provides a quick review on how the gameplay works if you ever need a refresher. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's show you how this actually works. So to get started, I'm going to click on play game. This is going to take me to the world select screen. I'm going to go ahead and start off on space and on level 1. So as we can see, each game board consists of 25 lights that will either be on or off. You can turn a light on or off by simply clicking on it. But beware, every light that you toggle, the adjacent lights will do the opposite. And remember, the goal is to turn off all the lights. So you got to really think about it. Now I'm on level 1 of World 1, the simplest levels that there is. If I click on menu, it'll tell you what world and level you're on, but it also gives you how many moves it will require to solve this puzzle. And level 1 will take 2 moves to solve. So I know I can complete this by only in 2 moves. So let's go ahead and just do it real quick to show you how it works. I'm going to go ahead and click on this one here and this one here. Boom! It is solved. So we'll go ahead and go to the next level. Oh, by the way, scoring. Scoring is based off of how much time it takes and how many moves it took to solve a puzzle. Okay, so level 1, 2, we can look at the menu here. It tells us it takes 3 moves to solve this. So I'm going to go ahead and we'll do this first one here. Now let's say you get stuck. It's like you're on a really hard level and you're not quite sure where to go, what to do. There's a hint system that's included within Lights Out Worlds. And to use a hint, all you have to do is click on a hint token. The hint token is right next to the green menu button. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it now. Now you can see there's a light that's blinking on and off right now. There's a button blinking. This is the next calculated move needed in order to solve this puzzle. So I'm going to go ahead and press that and then solve the puzzle. And this time I only got 1 star. Alright, so you can earn additional hint tokens by completing world levels and getting 3 stars. So you can see I completed this one rather fast and it gave me additional hint token. And you just keep going through the levels like this. So every level is going to get a little more difficult. I'll go back to the menu and go back to the world select screen. So you see there's a space, winter, spring, summer, and fall world themes. And every level will progressively get harder and harder as you continue on. So let's talk about the second gameplay mode, and this is where you get a lot of your value out of Lights Out Worlds, because it just provides hours of endless entertainment if this is your cup of tea. And that's random play. So let's go ahead and click on random play. And what it's going to do is it's going to pull a random theme from one of our 5 worlds. It's going to create a game board for you that you need to solve. Now if I click on menu, it'll tell me that this game board can be solved in 5 moves. So let's go ahead and see if we can't solve this in 5 moves. And we got it. I think I probably took a little too long and only gave me 2 stars. So you can keep playing these random games for endless hours of entertainment. Now if this is a little too easy for you, if you click on menu and go to options, we can change the random game difficulty. So right now it's on easy. We can either set it to medium, we can set it to hard, which is 11 or more moves to solve a puzzle, or my favorite, surprise me, where it's just all random. So let's go ahead and select a new random game board. Alright, so you can either look at the OCD or not. I'm going to go ahead and look at it. Ooh, so this board can be solved in 14 moves. And that's the fun of this game. It's just the endless hours of trying to solve these puzzles. And I think I got myself into a corner. Use a hint token. So one of the tips I can give you for completing some of these puzzles is you want to try to back the lights. You want to use the game board to your advantage and back the lights into a corner or down to a particular part of the screen. Now I totally messed up this already, and I can go ahead and restart it and start over again. So, all right, and that's Lights Out Worlds. Quick demonstration of how this cool game works. Thanks.